Welcome back. You're watching What's Hot on CNBC TV 18. Moving on to the pharma space and the big deal there. Biocon and global pharma major Pfizer have joined hands to deliver insulin treatments worldwide. Biocon will be responsible for the clinical development, manufacturing and supply of these insulin products. So just how big is this deal for Biocon? Joining us now is Kiran Mazumdar joins us from New York, the Chairman and Managing Director of Biocon. Also with us, David Simmons, President and General Manager at Pfizer. Many thanks, Kiran, for joining us. And David and Kiran, congratulations to both of you. If you can take us through the contours of the deal, we understand it will be $200 million of an upfront payment and about $150 million milestone linked.
That's right, Shireen. It's a very exciting day for us. I think this is a wonderful partnership that we have struck with Pfizer, and we believe that together we bring a huge amount of synergy between us. As you know, for Biocon, this is a huge endorsement of our biologics capabilities, and we're looking forward to really making a big impact in the diabetes space in the years to come. In terms of the deal size, as you said, it is a $200 million upfront and $150 million in terms of other milestones, in addition to which we will be receiving additional payments linked to markets and sales in global markets. In terms of what
can you quantify that for us, Kiran? I'm sorry to interrupt you, but can you quantify that for us in terms of the additional payments that are linked to other markets and sales?
Well, at this point in time, it's difficult for me to really give you any precise information, but you know, we look at this as a very sizable opportunity for both companies. And we believe that, you know, if you look at what the insulin segment occupied today, it's about $14 billion. So we are very excited about this emerging opportunity, which we think is going to be significant and sizable. But most of this will actually start opening up for us post-2015. Right now, the immediate opportunity is in the emerging markets, and it'll get ramped up once the developed markets and the opportunity for biosimilars opens up in the U.S. and European markets.
David, how significant is this insulin opportunity from your point of view? And do you hope to enlarge this relationship with Biocon going forward?
This partnership is very significant. I'd like to give you some statistics on diabetes, which is a terrible pandemic that has just a significant societal burden. There are currently 230 million patients worldwide estimated to suffer from diabetes. That's expected to grow to more than 400 million by 2025. So this is the market that's behind the $14 billion in sales of insulin products that Kiran just mentioned. So the size of the opportunity is significant. The societal need is huge because the market is underserved. There is access issues to many patients who need these therapies across the world. And we think the partnership of Pfizer with Biocon is going to be able to make a significant difference in this area.
Kiran, do you expect this relationship to, in a sense, to give a large fillip to your own R&D activities?
I think this is a start of a very, very big partnership that we can build with Pfizer, and we think that, you know, for us, insulins is a very, very large opportunity, and we wanted, obviously, to see our products present in global markets, and, you know, the Pfizer partnership obviously allows us to have this global reach. We are really sort of looking at, you know, using this as the foundation of doing many more things with Pfizer, but this is the most important first step for us.
Kiran, you know, how are you going to align this partnership with Pfizer with some of your existing partnerships or alliances, for instance, with Bristol Myers Squibb?
Well, these are all very different kinds of partnerships that we have built up, and I think each one of them is a strategic partnership for us. As far as Pfizer is concerned, we are very, very focused on making a huge global success of these portfolio of products that we are developing, and, you know, Pfizer will obviously enable us to get a large global footprint. So this is the way we're looking at this relationship, and we believe that diabetes is a very, very important segment for both of us. So we look at this as the way forward.
Kiran, there's been a lot of speculation and a lot of reports on Pfizer possibly picking up a stake in Biocon. I know you've talked about a partnership with immense amount of possibilities, but could that possibly one of the potential possibilities, could that be a potential possibility as well?
Well, Shireen, you said it in your own words. This is speculation. So, obviously, this deal is not about speculation. This deal is real, and this is about a strategic partnership.
All right, David, my final question to you, if you can give us some sense of, what stage 2, 3, 4 could be. Kiran said this is the first step in your partnership. If you can give us some sense of what we can expect in the future.
Well, if I can focus on the family of insulins and this diabetes partnership, step 1 is to move to commercialization in the 27 markets where recombinant insulin has already been approved from Biocon. The next stage is to clear regulatory pathways in Europe and in the U.S., and that's our immediate focus. So I would say that's stage 1, 2, and 3 all wrapped up over the coming years. I would point out that this strategic partnership makes a tremendous amount of sense. One, you look at Biocon and their high-quality manufacturing and development capabilities, combined with their speed to market on this insulin family. We project that they're the farthest ahead of any company globally with the complete family of insulin products. At the same time, physicians are going to be key decision makers in the utilization of biosimilars in this space. And Pfizer's sales, marketing, and medical infrastructure globally is going to be responsible for bringing the evidence that shows effectiveness and safety of these products. And together this combination is really going to be received well by patients and healthcare practitioners worldwide.
All right, David, Kiran, we will leave it there. Congratulations, and we wish you the very best of luck with this partnership. Thanks very much for speaking to us here on CNBC TV 18. But don't go anywhere. Market stays up ahead, and we'll catch you in 30 minutes on India Business Hour with the top stories of the day. Till then, from all of us here, goodbye and thanks for watching.